What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to you. I'm so happy you guys made it today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am shooting to hit 1,000 subscribers. We are far from it, but we can make it there, guys, if we just get together and support your girl. I would love it. I would absolutely appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Yes, please follow me on Instagram at Kyrie_Contour. And that's KAIRI_CONTOUR. Now, guys, I love what I got going on right now, but I'm in a little bit of a rush because this is a get ready with me video. I absolutely am late for work right now, but I said I had to make this video for you guys now. I actually started back work 2 weeks ago, so I'm still kind of getting in the gist of having it into my schedule and doing my YouTube videos, but I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging because guess what? I love you guys. You guys have been there for me since April. But still, we are a growing family. I'm trying to get those subscribers and those likes and those shares, so you guys please help me out. Today's video, we are getting ready for work. This is me going to work today. This is the look I got going on. I'm a cosmetologist, hairstylist, beautician, whatever you feel comfortable calling it. It doesn't matter to me. Like, I know my skills. So if you guys want to stick around and get ready with me for work, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, guys. Enjoy the show, guys. Hey. Okay, guys, it is early in the morning and I did my eyebrows and I also prepped my eyelids with the Proof It eyeshadow primer by NYX. So I'm gonna go in with Punch Me with my James Charles palette and just put it on my eyebrow bone. I'm gonna go in with the Shimmer from my James Charles palette. I'm gonna put that in between my eyebrow bone and my crease. Alright, so under Mary, I'm gonna go in with code James and see how that looks. I'm gonna need to get the smaller palette because this one is ridiculous. Now I'm gonna go in with tea in my crease just to deepen it some. Because you know, we all need a little bit of tea in our lives. So now I'm gonna go in with No Beans. It is a beautiful brown color. And I'm gonna put that in between the tea and I'm gonna put that in between tea and Code James. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean. It's just a black, smooth pencil that I'm gonna use for a base. I'm just gonna put that on my lid and blend it out. I like to do one eyeshadow at a time when I'm doing any type of cream bases because I don't want when time passes for it to crease. So, and I'm gonna just take a fluffy like concealer brush and blend out the outer edges or the outer corners. go into the Warrior 3 palette. I'm gonna use Masai. I hope that I pronounced that right, but it's the green color in there. I'm gonna pack that onto my brush and just focus it on the outer corners of the black and like right above, like on top of, I guess you could say in the crease, right? It's too early in the morning. To my L'Oreal Infallible, it's a pressed powder, and it's in the shade Golden Emerald. And you guys can see that. And I'm gonna put, excuse me, I'm gonna put some of that in the middle of my eyelid. So I want to deepen my crease a little bit more, and I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and go into Benny, and it's a dark brown. Into the Juvia's Place palette and put some of the Masai on the bottom of my lash line, or my bottom lid. Then I'm gonna go in with Spooky. It's just the black shade in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to deepen my waterline with Spooky. So last but not least, because I have to hurry up and get out of here, I am going to put just this little shimmer in my inner eye. I'm going to use Kaleido Cosmetics. I got that in an Ipsy bag a couple months back. So I'm just going to spray my brush there. It's just like a little... People use it for like lips, lip lining. My lips are too big for this, so sorry. I'm gonna just use that for this eyeshadow right now. Money light, you know? I think I am pretty much done, so I'm just gonna do my eyes, mascara, lashes, foundation, and I'll be right back. Wow, that's probably the quickest I've ever done it, because I gotta get up out of here. This is the look, and also my outfit. I am just wearing a white tee with, you know, matching necklace to go with the makeup. And if I could stand up, I don't know, I've never stood up for you guys. Hold on. Let's see, got a little belt on there and some blue stretchy pants. Boom, 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 boom. I hope you liked today's video. I love it. I actually highlighted my wig. So y'all tell me if y'all like that better than the lash and foundation video. This is the same wig. I just changed the color of it. Put a little highlights in there, you know, a little something, something. I love it. Tell me what y'all think, if y'all like that look going on. If you guys want to see how I do my lashes and my foundation, I will put a link up for those videos for you guys. Sorry, but I have to go, or else I'm not gonna have a job after this. So I love you guys. Be safe. Please love one another. Cherish one another. If you have some time, slay your day away. I gotta go. Bye.